Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are looking for the perfect summer tank top, then you have just found it. I am obsessed with this Hibelle yoga tank top. I have been wearing it so much, I basically wash it, dry it, put it right back on. It is so incredibly comfortable, and the best part about it is that it comes with a built-in shelf bra, so this is all you have to wear. And unlike most camis or tank tops with a shelf bra, this one actually includes padding, so I can feel totally comfortable and not exposed when I'm wearing it. I love the loose and flowy style and the great bum coverage. It can easily go from dressy or casual to a workout look. This has been great for my workout routines. I usually focus on things like mobility or Pilates. It is not a sports bra, it is just a shelf bra. So it is perfect for workouts like that. I did get this in the medium size. As you can see, I had to tighten it almost all the way with the straps just to make sure I had enough support. I am a little smaller up top, and so if you are larger, then it's nice and adjustable for you. You have got plenty of room. I do feel like I could have easily sized down with this tank top, but it is perfectly comfortable as is. This tank top washes really well. I've washed it several times, almost every other day, and I've had no issues at all. My only regret with this tank top is that I didn't get more of them, but I do plan on adding more to cart because this tank top is just that fantastic. Don't just believe me though, check it out for yourself. And that's my point of view.